In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a presentation in PowerPoint. This task might sound a bit intimidating if you're not familiar with PowerPoint's interface, but the process is actually quite straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to find the Windows icon, usually located at the bottom left side of your screen. Give that a click. This will bring up the Start menu, and from here, you can launch Microsoft PowerPoint. It should be listed among your programs, possibly in the recently used list, or you might need to scroll to find it. Once PowerPoint opens, it's time to locate the presentation you want to duplicate. With PowerPoint open, find and open the specific presentation. This step is crucial, as this is the original you will be working from to create a duplicate. Look through your recent documents, or navigate manually to where the file is saved on your computer to open it up. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of the PowerPoint window where you'll find the File menu. Click on File to open a drop-down menu of options. From this menu, select Save As. This particular step is where the duplication happens. Rather than overwriting the current file, Save As allows a new copy to be created with a few simple actions. Now, you need to decide where you want to save this new copy. PowerPoint will prompt you to choose a location on your computer. This location could be anywhere that you find convenient, such as your desktop, a folder dedicated to client work, or a drive where you store important documents. Just make sure it's a place you can easily remember. Once the location is set, it's time to give your new file a name. To avoid confusion later, name it something different than the original. A simple adjustment, like adding the word copy or a number to the original name, can do the trick. This helps ensure you know exactly which file is which without inadvertently overwriting your original work. And with the new name typed in, you're now ready for the final step. Click the Save button. PowerPoint will save the file with the new name in the designated location. That's it. You've just successfully duplicated your PowerPoint presentation. This method is incredibly useful if you need to create variations of a presentation or maintain a clean version of your work while experimenting with changes. With just a few clicks, you have a perfect copy ready to use, safe in the assurance that your original remains untouched. Keep experimenting and creating with confidence using this simple skill.